What's going on, guys? Caleb here, back with another video, and today I am finally unboxing the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil and the smart cover, coming up right now. First things first, guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos just like these coming up in the future. So here it is, the iPad Pro, the Smart Folio cover, and the Apple Pencil. Let's get to unboxing this. Let's move this out of the way. Now I got the 64 gig version. Personally, for me, that's all I need. I don't need that much space, especially a terabyte. Now I did go with the 12.9-inch version instead of the 11-inch. For me personally, looking at them side by side in the store, the 11-inch almost seemed a little too small compared to this version. So I went ahead and paid the extra $200 for the bigger version. The 11-inch starts at $7.99. The 12.9-inch starts at $9.99. The Apple Pencil is $129, and the Smart Folio cover is $99. If you wanted to go for the keyboard, I believe that is $199. So let's take off the cover, and there it is. It is really amazing engineering and technology that went into this. It's unbelievable to hold, and unless you hold one in person and unless you see one in person, you really can't get a feel for how great that is. Now let's set that to the side. In the box, of course, we have all the information, warranty, directions, how to use the iPad, and some big Apple stickers. Also in the box, we have a USB-C power brick for the very first time on an Apple device besides a MacBook. And of course, we have the charging cable, which is also USB-C on both sides. Now let's move that out of the way and grab the main event why you actually came here. Peel it off. And there it is. It is really just an amazing device. Let's power it on. And we will flip it around. You can see the antenna line at the top along with the camera. And on the bottom is the new smart connector that they moved. It used to be on the side. That is the Apple Pencil magnetic wireless charging area where you can just snap the Apple Pencil. And speaking of, let's open that. Now again, the Apple Pencil is $129. I personally need this device. It's great for school, great for note-taking. So I definitely needed it rather than the keyboard. I really don't need that. I also have a MacBook as well. So for typing purposes, I still use my MacBook. But as you can see, the pencil is a little shorter than the previous version, and it's got a matte finish instead of that shiny finish. Set that to the side. And here is the $99 Smart Folio cover. Again, I didn't get the keyboard because I personally don't need it. And yes, I know I could have got a cover somewhere like Amazon or something like that, but I figured may as well just go all out and get the products that Apple made all together. They obviously work the best with the iPad, especially all the changes they made to the smart cover compared to last year. It no longer snaps in, it's all magnetic. The iPad has over 100 different magnets in the back, in the actual body of the iPad. And as you can see, it just clicks into place almost, and it's really, really nice. The feel of it is very nice. And the Apple Pencil, it just sticks on. Now, setting up the iPad, it of course shows you the new animations for going home. To ask Siri something, you hold the lock button, and that is basically it. I backed up this iPad from a previous one, so it's loading all of my apps. But first impressions, I really, really like it. Now, again, here's the Apple Pencil charging area. So all you have to do to connect the pencil is just let it magnetically snap on, and you'll see an animation at the top of the Apple Pencil itself. It'll ask to connect. You obviously want to hit that, and it'll tell you all the different things that you can do, especially the new feature with the double tap, where you can change from your current tool to the eraser. And it's very strong. I know I've seen some videos where if you shake it a certain way it does come off, but let's be honest, I'm not going to do that. And the cool thing about this is that it snaps on, but it also starts to charge at the same time. So you got rid of that cap that I always lost, and it just starts to charge, and it's always 100% when I'm ready to grab it. And obviously a very important feature, it now has Face ID, so you can unlock this iPad with your face. That is pretty cool, and just adds to this amazing new iPad experience. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button for future videos just like these. And I'll see you guys on the next one.